Okay, I'll show you how to make the start for the base of this sock, and I will show you also how to make slipper for the kids. Okay, I'm using this base. Okay, this is the inside part, this is the bottom part. Okay, which I sell them online. And this is a tutorial for you or a guide for you. Okay, so we have here, you can see here, this is the center and that is the center. Okay, from that center, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, 4, so 2 4 6 8. You can make it 2 4 6 in here. Okay, this part, you can see this will be the part. Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3. You can make here 2 4 6, or in the center. From there, you can 2, this 2 2 3 and 2 3. Okay, 3 3 6 total, or you can make 8. It's not a problem. From here also for the top part, for the heel part, for the top part, this will be center. Count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So until here you will make 3 stitches. Okay, and on the rest will be 2 stitches. So for this part you will make 3 stitches. So let's start and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, insert your hook in there. Make sure you have smaller hook, 2.5 mm hook. Okay, I'm using sport weight yarn. Okay, I'm using Kartopu from Turkey, and this can you can use 2.5 to 3 hook. This yarn is cotton, 100 cotton acrylic yarn. Okay, you can use cotton, you can use wool, it's up to you. Okay, but I prefer cotton acrylic mix. Okay, I don't want to use 100% acrylic. Okay, I make sure it's a mix of cotton, especially for the kids. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, yarn over, pull through. Okay, don't make it too tight. Okay, see here, yarn over, pull through. It's like single crochet. Okay, and then on the same stitch, one more time, yarn over, pull through. So that will be the first stitch. This will not be counted as first one. That will be the first. Second, just make 2 in here because you will make 1 more later when you go in here to close the round. Okay, so that will be the second part, second stitch. Okay, so on the next you will make, see, I'll crochet along here whatever yarn I have in there, so no need for you to sew it later. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Okay, the good thing with this already with hole is that you don't need to make the base already, and if you want you can crochet the base and attach here, glue it here, it's not a problem, or you make this base and then later you sew it together. I'll show you how to do that. So 1 2 3, second, we'll go to the third, we'll have to make 3. Okay, sorry for that. 1 2 and 3. You can use any sport weight yarn weight number 2 for the base. Okay, if you don't have yarn weight number 2, you can use the tiny one, number 1, on double strands. It's not a problem. Okay, you can use on that. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, one more time. Okay, so you don't need to use thicker yarn for the base. Actually, for the body part you can use thick yarn, it's not a problem. The base only for you to start, okay, with the holes part, because the hole is small, your hook is should be small, and that you don't need to use bigger thick yarns in here and the bigger hole hook, sorry for that. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, don't forget to make the last stitch in here when you finish on that part. Okay, so now we'll mark the 7 stitches in there. This is the center, 1 2 3 6 7, so this will be the part you will stop in here later. Okay, you will make your 3 stitches in here later. Okay, so let's continue. After making that part, you make 2 stitches in here, and in there you will make 3 stitches all the way to that opposite side, and then 2 stitches all the way here, and then 1 stitch on the last, and then connect to close the round. Okay, after making your 2 stitches in there, okay, so make 3 stitches, sorry, make your 2 stitches in here, 1 2, okay, 1 2, okay, 1 2, okay, so let's just wait for a while. 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2, 2, 1 2, sorry, 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2. If you want, you can use the same yarn actually with what you are using with the base if you want, not a problem. Okay, it's up to you. You can change your yarn to thicker one, or you can use the thinner yarn. It's your choice actually. For the, it depends on the shoes or the slippers you want to make. Okay, so we'll have the last stitch now for the 2. Okay, so you see in there I've done 2 4 6, and then all the way in there up to that stitch we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the center, and 7 here will be the 3 stitches. Okay, now we'll be having 3 stitches in there, 1 2 and 3. Okay, continue doing that, and I'll see you on the next step for the base. Okay.